The drone world is once again buzzing with excitement as DJI appears to be gearing up for something big. The highly anticipated DJI Avata 360. A mysterious product listing briefly appeared on China's Xiao platform before vanishing almost instantly, but not before screenshots went viral across tech forums and social media. This short-lived post has reignited curiosity about what could be DJI's most impressive and surprisingly affordable creation yet. If the information circulating online is accurate, the Avata 360 could debut at just 2,988 yuan, roughly translating to $426 for the standalone drone. That's a shockingly low figure for a brand known for its premium pricing and cutting-edge technology. The leak also hinted at several bundles, including one with the DJI RC2 controller for 3,988 yuan and higher-tier packages priced at around 5,688 yuan, which could include flight goggles, motion controllers, extra batteries, and charging hubs. Everything needed for a complete immersive FPV experience. The leaked specifications have left drone enthusiasts buzzing. The DJI Avata 360 is rumored to feature a 1-inch image sensor capable of recording in stunning 6K resolution at 60 frames per second, complete with HDR support. It's also set to include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, allowing for safe and smooth flying even in complex environments. If these details hold true, DJI seems to be targeting serious creators and professionals who crave cinematic and VR-ready footage, rather than just hobbyists. Yet, some drone watchers are skeptical because earlier rumors hinted at dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and the possibility of full 8K 360-degree video capture. This discrepancy has sparked speculation that the leaked model could represent a pre-production version or a China-specific variant still undergoing testing. Regardless, the idea of a sub-$500 drone offering 6K HDR footage and advanced obstacle avoidance is an exciting one that could change the landscape for mid-range drones. The pricing alone makes this potential release stand out. A 360-degree drone with high-end specs for under $500 sounds almost too generous, especially considering the competition. Drones like the anti-gravity A1 cost significantly more when you factor in full kits and accessories. This has led some analysts to suggest that the leaked prices could be placeholders or local market figures that might rise when the drone reaches international markets due to tariffs, certifications, and import costs. Even so, the information provides a fascinating glimpse into DJI's potential strategy to make advanced drone technology more accessible to everyday creators. However, the timing of this leak adds another layer of intrigue. The U.S. drone market is on the verge of major changes due to new FCC regulations set to take effect at the end of 2025. These rules will prevent certain foreign manufacturers, including DJI, from obtaining FCC authorization for new drone models after December 23, 2025. With DJI controlling nearly 70% of the U.S. drone market, this regulation could seriously impact its future in the region. While current DJI drones will remain legal to use and sell until stock runs out, no new models will be approved, which could eventually lead to a shortage and push consumers toward alternative brands. Auto Robotics, another major Chinese player, is expected to face similar hurdles, though the impact might be smaller due to its more specialized product line. Meanwhile, smaller foreign brands like Parrot, Unique, Potensic, Holystone, Wingtra, and SenseFly will likely see minimal effects. US-based companies such as Skidio, Freefly Systems, Teal Drones, Airverment, Brink, Helio, and Zipline are not affected and may benefit from the situation as demand for domestic options rises. The FCC's decision is tied to national security concerns regarding foreign-made communication technology, especially from companies with significant market dominance like DJI. Still, the government has made it clear that existing DJI drones won't be banned or pulled from shelves, so users can continue flying their current devices without concern. With these regulatory changes in motion, many creators and drone enthusiasts are already exploring other options. One of the standout alternatives is the Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight and beginner-friendly drone that feels similar to DJI's Mini series. Priced at around $359, it shoots crisp 4K footage at 30 frames per second, and at under 250 grams, doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use. It also includes smart features like GPS, subject tracking, and return-to-home functionality, making it a great entry point for new pilots. Many reviewers have praised it for offering a balance of performance and affordability, and Potensic even throws in a free drone filmmaking training session to help users master camera movements and cinematic shots. For those who prefer an automated filming experience, the Hover Air X1 lineup might be the ideal match. Designed for hands-free operation, these Follow Me drones track subjects automatically, perfect for capturing outdoor activities or sports. The base X1 starts at $279, the X1 Pro comes in at $499 with 4K 60 frames per second capabilities, and the top-tier X1 Pro Max, priced at $699, supports 8K 30 frames per second video with 4K HDR. The X1 Pro Max has impressed users with its exceptional subject tracking, impressive video quality, and user-friendly automated flight modes. Its only major limitation is range, about 1,000 feet, making it best suited for close-up, dynamic shots rather than long-distance flights. The Anti-Gravity A1, another noteworthy option, takes innovation to the next level with its futuristic dual-camera system. Equipped with top and bottom cameras, it captures aerial footage from multiple angles simultaneously, and can even remove itself from the video during editing to create seamless, invisible drone shots. This technology opens up creative possibilities for filmmakers and vloggers, letting them reframe footage and achieve professional-grade results without expensive post-production work. Lightweight and stable, the A1 also includes intelligent flight modes like automatic takeoff and landing, obstacle avoidance, and waypoint navigation. The accompanying mobile app enhances control and monitoring, offering a live video feed and easy access to camera settings. Even as DJI faces an uncertain future in the US, the global drone market continues to thrive, with manufacturers introducing fresh designs, smarter automation, and better accessibility for users at all levels. Whether you're a first-time flyer, an aspiring content creator, or a professional filmmaker, the options have never been more diverse or more exciting. The rumored DJI Avata 360 could still become a major milestone if the leaks prove accurate. With its blend of affordability, performance, and innovation, it might just bring 360-degree aerial creativity within reach of a broader audience than ever before. Looking forward, 2025 and 2026 are shaping up to be pivotal years for drone technology. DJI's rumored Avata 360 represents not just another drone, but a symbol of where the industry is headed, toward smarter, more immersive, and more affordable aerial tools. While regulations may limit some companies, they're also fueling competition, pushing others to innovate faster. The skies are about to get more crowded, more creative, and more cinematic than ever. Whether DJI leads the charge or new brands rise to fill the gap, one thing's certain: the future of drone filmmaking is taking off, and the DJI Avata 360 might just be the spark that launches a new era of flight.